I'll just have what she's having.
David, you don't even know what I ordered. Wait, pause the video. Comment what you think he just ordered. Okay, hear me out. This actually happened last month in Tokyo.
Wait, actually, I thought ordering coffee would be easy.
Before we start, are you Team Matcha like me or Team Chaos like David? Comment below.
Why are there so many options?
It's just coffee, David.
No, look. Hot iced oat milk, soy milk, extra foam.
Okay, hear me out. Maybe don't read every single word.
What do you recommend?
I always get a matcha latte.
Honestly, what would you order here? I need help.
You're asking the audience now?
Yes, this menu is attacking me.
Just choose something simple.
I'll just have what she's having.
David, you don't even know what I ordered.
Wait, actually, is matcha the green one?
Yes, the very green one.
Okay, I'll go with something cold and not too sweet.
What do you recommend? A polite way to ask someone for their suggestion. It shows you respect their opinion and works in any restaurant or shop. I've never been here. What do you recommend? There are too many options. What do you recommend? I'll just have what she's having. A casual way to order the same thing as another person. It's quick, friendly, and saves you from reading the menu. I can't decide. I'll just have what she's having. That looks great. I'll just have what he's having. I'll go with, use this when making your final decision. It sounds confident and natural, like you've thought about it. Okay, I'll go with the iced latte. I'll go with something cold.
Maya, is that for me?
Why is it so big?
I don't know. I just took it.
What did you order?
I don't know.
You seriously don't know?
The barista asked me 3 questions, and I panicked.
What questions?
Size, milk, and something about syrup.
And what did you say?
Yes.
David, you said yes to all 3?
I panicked.
Let me try it.
Wait, actually, it's kinda good.
Whoa, that's sweet.
Right?
It tastes like dessert.
I thought I ordered coffee.
You ordered chaos in a cup.
Honestly, I'd order it again.
You don't even know what it is.
I'll just say yes again.
Today's phrases, what do you recommend? I'll just have what she's having. And I'll go with. Use these next time you're at a cafe and have no idea what to order. Team Matcha or Team David's mystery drink? Tell me in the comments. See you next time. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily English lessons.